Pinkfong.
Do 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 do. It's Fishmas!
In the air, you really can smell it. That's what makes it easy to tell. It's Fishmas. It's Fishmas. Every fish she gathers at home, a time of joy and oh, the aroma. Fishmas is almost here. Santa Claus is on his way. It's gonna be the greatest day. It's Fishmas. It's Fishmas.
Hanging fish lights, decorating, getting ready, celebrating.
Baking favorites you gotta try. It's Fishmas biscuits. Oh my!
It's my favorite time of year for pulling pranks and spreading cheer.
How did I wind up in here?
Santa Claus is on his way. It's gonna be the greatest day. It's Fishmas. It's Fishmas. Can you smell it in the air? It's salty, sweet, beyond compare. It's Fishmas. It's Fishmas. It's Fishmas with Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do-do-do-do-do-do, giving gifts to you and you and you. Baby Shark, do-do-do-do-do-do, Baby Shark.
Santa Claus do 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 do, giving gifts to you and you and you. Santa Claus do 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 do, Santa Claus.
And William, two, giving gifts to you and you and you. William, two, William, two. Giving gifts to all fish, do. It's our wish, do. It's our wish. Caroling is caroling, except we're in the sea, sharing all our Fishmas songs with the community. Jingle shells, jingle while we sway. Soon we'll get a bunch of toys and then we'll play all day. Yay! We wish you a Merry Fishmas. We wish you a Merry Fishmas. We wish you a Merry Fishmas. And a Happy New Toy.
Hey, Baby Shark!
Huh?
Do you have a new TV show coming to Nickelodeon?
Yes, I do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark, do. Baby Shark. And this is my show, do. That's my mom, do. That's my dad, do. That's William. We live here, we do fun things, and through it all, we dance and sing. This is Baby Shark's Big Show.
It's Baby Shark's Big Show, the brand new series for the whole family, coming soon only to Nickelodeon.
Do.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day. And find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.
Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.